Sometimes doctor might also give an injection called penicillin. Okay, this injection was very common 10 years ago, but now it's not much common because some humans, they start reacting to penicillin and it causes some other infection in them, and there are few cases of death also. So penicillin is not used now. It is used only for few individuals because there is some problem with the human immune system to this penicillin. Okay. Uh, Example of antibiotic is streptomycin, tetracycline and erythromycin. We have many other antibiotic also. So as of now we can remember these three: streptomycin, tetracycline and erythromycin. Okay. So if you go to a doctor, he will give you the tablet. So the doctor will not give you tablet for all 3 times. Sometime doctor will give you tablet only for the morning, sometime only for the night, sometime morning, afternoon and night. Okay. So why does this vary? Why why sometimes you're given so much tablet and why sometimes you're given less tablet? Okay, well, for the reason is based on your fever and based on your infection nature. If you have very high fever, doctor will give you the tablet for 3 times a day. In case you have moderate to very normal fever, doctor will give you 2 times. And sometimes when your fever is slightly you feel feverish, the dose will be only 1 tablet per day. Okay, so there is variations in the antibiotic dose. Okay, and one important thing in the antibiotic is that if your doctor is giving you the antibiotic for 5 days, you have to take completely for 5 days. There are many cases many mistakes we do. The major mistake we do is that when doctor will give you and tell us to eat tablet for 7 days, what we will do, we will take tablet for, we will say 3 days, 5 days tablet we will take, and then we will see after 2-3 days you feel better, you will stop taking that tablet. Okay, that is wrong. We are not supposed to do that. If doctor is telling you to take tablet for 7 days, for sure, definitely for 7 days you should take tablet. Okay, because then only the bacteria will be completely cleared from the body. Otherwise the bacteria will die and little bacteria will stay in the body, and later after few months you will get the same fever. Okay, so it's very important. You have to make your parents understand, and you also should learn from this. If doctor is giving you the prescription for 7 days, you should follow the entire course of antibiotic treatment for 7 days. Okay. And one more case is that, one more mistake what we do is, doctor is giving you 2 tablets per day. What will happen? Some people will take 3 or 4 tablets. Since the fever is not getting reduced, you may take 3 or 4, 5 tablets. Is that correct? Can we take like that? No, we are not supposed to take like that. Why? Because this antibiotic will kill the bacteria. Okay, sometimes if you take so much antibiotic, it will kill the good bacteria in your body. Okay, we also have good bacteria which is present in our body. If you take so much of antibiotic, it will kill the normal good bacteria also in your body. Okay, so we must follow the exact dosage and the prescription given by the doctor. Okay, we should not take in excess also, we should not reduce also. So it's very important in case of the antibiotics. And one more point is that these antibiotics are given for bacterial related diseases, bacteria, fever or infection related to bacteria. But these antibiotics are not effective in case of virus fever, like cold, flu and all. You will not get antibiotics. So you might have a doubt, for coronavirus, why can't we give antibiotic? No, we cannot give, because corona is a virus and influenza virus is a virus. Chickenpox is caused by virus. This antibiotic will not work for virus, okay, because these are specially produced only to kill bacteria. They can kill only bacteria. They cannot kill virus, okay. So antibiotic is specified only for bacterial diseases, okay. We have to be very clear in this. Next is vaccine. So if you have younger siblings, or if you remember when you were very small, you will be given vaccine, from the government hospital. You can, people will come and call you for giving polio drops. And sometimes you can see in TV, there is a campaign, that, in Tamil we say as Tadupusi. That is, we call in English as vaccine. We can see posters and many news and all, for vaccination. So why much importance is given to this vaccine, and what is the reason for the vaccination? Why should I give this? Have you ever questioned your parents? Why am I given this drops and why am I given this injection, vaccination? Why is it given to me? Like, have you ever questioned? Well, the answer is, vaccination will help you to prevent from diseases. Okay, so these vaccines are prepared from microbes, that is microorganisms. So from microorganism we will prepare the vaccine. So what you will do, vaccine we will not give during the fever. Okay, for example I will explain you. Now coronavirus is very common here. Okay, I am not having coronavirus, but if I take vaccination for coronavirus, I will not get coronavirus. Why? Because there is a system in our body, like there is antibody, which is the cell which is present in our body. It will help to fight against the infection. Okay, so usually your body will fight and kill the invading bacteria produced by the antibodies. So for example, if someone is beating you, will you stay calm? If someone is slapping you in your face, will you stay calm? First time you will keep calm. Next time what will you do? Next time you will either hold his hand and stop him, otherwise you will also slap him, right? That is how you react to the situation, right? So once if you get fever, once if you get one disease, will your body keep calm and look into that? No. Your body will try to develop a response against that. Okay, your body will try to do something and it will try to fight and kill the microorganism, and it will try to get it outside of the body, because the body knows this microorganism is not good, it is bad. So the body will try to create it will try to fight, and it will try to remove this from the body. Okay, so there is a special cell in our body which is called as the antibody cell. Okay, so you having, for example, I am getting a infection. Okay, so my body will develop antibody. Antibody is this this is produced by the body when a microbe will enter inside the body. So the body will develop antibody. This antibody will be there in your body till the death. Okay, until you are alive, this antibody will be there in your human system. It will present. So next time when the infection is coming, now you already have antibody. Now you are already ready to fight against it. So this antibody cell, what they will do, they will go and fight against the microorganism, and they will eliminate that from the body. Okay, similar to the slap mechanism. Slapping, once you are normal, someone slap you, you will take it. But once you know that already someone has slapped you, next time if he's coming to slap you, what will you do? You will either hold his hand or you will slap him back. Same, antibody is the fighter cell, so it is fighting. So it's once you get infection, this will be produced in the body. Next time when you get infection, this antibody, what it will do, it will keep on fighting and it will try to remove the microorganism from the body. So this is how this concept is used in vaccination. Okay, in the vaccine system. So basically vaccine are produced from the microbes. So this is the antibody, which is, this is a very tiny cell which is present in the body. Okay, so how many of you have got chicken pox? And how many times can you get chicken pox? So all of you might have got chicken pox. Is it that is there anyone who has got chicken pox twice or thrice? Very rare case. No, you would have got chicken pox only once in your lifetime. Okay, second time or third time, very rare, because chicken pox, once you get, your body will develop the antibody. Next time when the chicken pox virus will come to your body will fight and remove it from your body. So next time you will not get chicken pox. Okay, so vaccination, in the vaccination they will do same thing. What they will do is that they will develop dead microorganisms and they will give in your body. So when you're given vaccine, you can notice if you have a small child in your house, if they are giving vaccine or if they are giving any polio drops, anything, the baby will get slight fever, for 1 to 3 days the fever will be there. But there is no, they will not take, for that fever they will not take to doctor, they will not give any other tablet or injection and all, no. Because you are training your body, you are developing your body to fight against the further infection in case you have. Okay, so the baby will have the fever and all. So during that the baby will develop the antibody. Okay, next time when the same virus will come and attack the child, they will not have the infection or disease because they have already developed the antibody. Okay, so vaccination is the process by which you give the vaccine to the children. Okay, and very common vaccine is that you can see polio virus vaccine, and we have vaccine for cholera, smallpox and tuberculosis also we have vaccine. The person who produced this vaccine is Edward Jenner. Okay, so he produced vaccine for the smallpox virus. Okay, I hope you're clear until what I have explained. So we saw regarding the microorganism, we saw the 4 types of microorganism. and we have seen the example in each case. Then we have seen the uses of microorganism, for what all they are used. Okay, so your activity is that you have to observe the curd formation and the bread mold, how it is formed, you have to observe. And also you have to observe the walls, the greenish patches in the walls. Otherwise, if you have wooden log, you can see the mushroom. And also these are the microorganism. Okay, so we have seen the benefit of microorganism. We will continue this in the next class also. So until now we have seen the benefit, as they are used in the production of antibiotics, they are used in the production of vaccine, and they are also used in the fermentation process, for production of alcohol, for production of wine, for the making the bread, and for making the fluffy maida for pizza, in idli and dosa batter, for making of curd also.